Good morning, children. Today we are going to start our first chapter of history. The chapter is the French Revolution. Revolution, you know that. It means you can say that if you will use the Hindi word Kranti, means fight for the real justice. Here, what were the causes of French Revolution? First, we have a short topic for its acknowledgement. In France, Louis XVI was the king. He was only 20 years old that time and got married with Austrian princess. And that time there was much chaos in French territory. What was that? Earlier, kings were, and that was the continued system of their dynasty. But when Louis XVI has got the reign in his hand, he found that there was much problem, much economic crisis in the country, and he had taken loan from the common people and money lenders to run the government. But he had done a change. Earlier in the society there was a decree. It was having 6 members, and king was taking advice from them to run the government. But Louis XVI had abolished this decree and he became the sole authority of France. So what were the causes and absolute monarchy? Louis XVI became the master of, and you can say that the dictator of France that time. But common people wanted democracy. That's why there was a big differences between the thought of the king and the common people. And the society was divided among different groups. We will study later. And that monarch had not taken any advice from his counterparts and his ministers and the respected people and intellectual from the country, and had decided to run the government on his own ideas. War upset the finances of France. You know that France has fought a war with the neighboring country and inside its country also, which the war was much devastating, not only by killing the people but also on the financial sector, financial matter, and to buy the weapons and other equipments. France has taken loan, just I had told you earlier, from the common people, and there was a much load on the government, so the government has increased the taxes on the people. And you know that only the third state, what we will study further, third state means common people have to pay the taxes. That's why there was a mood of becoming rivalry in France by the common people, means third state. Cruel and corrupt administration. The administration was corrupt. It means they were not thinking for the country, they were thinking for their own benefit. Such as when they had got money for the development of the country or for the starting infrastructure in the country, they had started to make their own assets. They were becoming corrupt, and money, taxes paid by the common people were misused. That's why the common people had become angry against the king. The social factor. The whole society was divided into 3 groups. First was the clergy. Clergy means the people related to church. Church was in hand of Pope, and organized by the other authority, and churches had not to pay any tax. It means Kalangi was tax free. Their relatives, their family members, they have to not pay the taxes. Second was the nobility related to the king's family. They have also got the right to not pay the taxes because they were member of the royal family and relatives of the royal family. But the third state, which is the largest number, nearly 90% of the total population of France, they have to pay taxes. This was the third state, including farmers, lawyers, teachers, other service holders. There was the load, a big load on their soldiers to pay the taxes, to run the government and to repay back the loans. Next, we will discuss more about the French Revolution. This is for today's topic, and I am going to give you some assignment.